points. One is the traffic, which all of us we are experiencing, and it has reached the saturation point. So what we have decided, and the administration also has agreed, and we have written to the government, that these SPTS buses should be given, and it will ply till 11:30. And we are requesting all the devotees to utilize these buses, number one, and number two, go for pulling. You see, there is fun in walking when you are going to see from one puja pandal to another. So through our esteemed media friends, we would like to appeal to all the devotees, please avoid taking out your cars, because parking is a big challenge during, even now, normal times, so puja times. So we should not become a source of problem for other friends who are not celebrating the pujas. We should think of all. And that is the reason we are saying go for pooling or avoid taking out your individual cars. Travel in those buses. Sufficient number of buses will be provided to take people from one point to another, and it may continue up to 11:30 at night. Number two is the environment issue. We are all seized with environmental issues, and we have seen that so many PILs and in the court, and I think as individuals also, even if it is not a judicial intervention, we should all be concerned. And I being also individually being involved in this, we are saying that like before, this year I think we will be able to achieve 100% where artificial dyes will not be used, maximum of earth and hay, and before the immersion there will be cleaning of the place in immersion place, and subsequent within 24 or 36 hours these all the idols and whatever else is there will be removed. Now from last few years we have made provision that whatever puja materials are not dumped into the river. All of you might have seen we make separate arrangements where all these are dumped into a basket which is kept there, so that these materials are not dumped into the river.